Hi there, in this video, you will learn about how to bulk archive users and notify managers using xFanatical Foresight. Archiving users in bulk helps streamline account management, especially when handling large numbers of inactive or departing employees. By automating the notification process, managers are promptly informed, ensuring a smooth transition and maintaining organizational efficiency. That's where xFanatical Foresight comes in. This tool allows administrators to manage these tasks seamlessly and reduce manual effort, keeping your team organized and well-informed. Let's dive in and see how it works. Sign into xFanatical Foresight with your Google admin account. Go to the Templates page. Search Bulk Archive Users and Notify Managers and click on it. In the Bulk Archive Users and Notify Managers page, click Copy Rule. For the first-time use of the template rule, and dialog action needed will display requesting necessary permissions required to copy the rule. Click Connect with Google and authorize the permissions. Upon authorization, a dialog titled Copy of Bulk Archive Users and Notify Managers will display. The rule is auto-configured, no additional steps are needed from the user. Click on the email action. In the email screen, in Subject, customize the email subject to include archived user information. In the email body, personalize the content with the archived user details. Click Review. In Rule Name, customize the automation rule name. Click Create. The rule is created in the Rules page. Verify automation. In order to guarantee that your rule configuration automates as intended, it is imperative to conduct a basic test. The following instructions demonstrate how xFanatical Foresight automates the bulk archiving of users and notifies the respective managers. Go to the Templates page. Search Bulk Archive Users and Notify Managers and click on it. Click on the Download Sample CSV File button. Go to the Rules page. Click the Upload icon in Bulk Archive Users and Notify Managers rule. Upload the CSV file. Wait for the success notification and click on the View Log button. In the Log Details page, the Rule History section explains the automation history and task xFanatical Foresight has automated on behalf of your Google account. Sign into your Google Admin Console. In Google Admin Console, then username, check the user status to verify successful archival of users. Verify with the manager regarding the email notification. It's simple and easy. If you have yet to install Foresight, apply for a 14 days trial. If you like our video, hit the thumbs up. Also, subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell icon to get notifications about the news, trends, and products that help you manage your business very well. To learn more, please visit xfanatical.com.